on the, when I click on the home, I'm having, there's no page here. So now let's go to our GitHub page. Please find your way to locate to the code.
I have my link now.
Send it to the chat. Let's send it to the chat. Send it to the chat.
Coming.
So, good thing about GitHub is that even though you are not on your laptop, you can edit your code right from GitHub dashboard. So I'm going to show us how you can be able to edit your code through GitHub dashboard without going to your VS Code. Remember, I said then that let's say you went over the weekend to visit your friend, and you remember a piece of code or a solution to your code that you're trying to write, and you're not with your laptop. You can actually borrow a laptop and log into GitHub and start writing your code. Then commit changes, you are good to go. So I'm going to open semi-art files. There's perfect. Then the first page is being jumping off. So don't worry. Subscribe. Yes, service. So your code is not updated. There should not be this icon here. It's not updated also. I've sent you the text file. This is a minute. You can see this is still staying there. It goes to disappear at the end of 2 to 3 seconds. So just copy the code I sent in the JS file, the .js file. If you go to the chat, I've copied the code.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So when you copy the code, paste it inside the main.js files, then it should update. So yes, this is good. Now, fine. Now back to our GitHub page. Let us fix the problem of having to where we're having the 404 page error. So now please click on your index.html file here. Click on index.html file that we have here. Click on it. When you click on it, it's going to show you a place where you can actually edit content on the website. You can see all the code we wrote, see all of them written here. Now, I want to edit this code. I can't edit anything here like this. It's not editable. To make it editable, look at this edit icon here. When you click on it, this code should be editable. I can change this link here. I have here. This link I have here, I can update it and change it to index.html. Can you see what I've just done here? Please update this. After you must have done so, you scroll down. You scroll down. You can see there's an option for commit changes. You commit changes. So Mr. Malaka is asking, how do you edit? Well, now let me come again. From the beginning, you go to code. In your code, locate the file you want to edit. I want to edit my index.html file. I will click it. Then no, it's not editable now. So you just click on the pencil icon that you have here. Edit this file. When you click on it, it should be editable now. So I'm going to edit the index file, which is the home URL. This home here. Change it to index.html. Now, you have done so, you have to commit changes. You click on commit changes, it's a change. Then go back to your code again. I will repeat the same thing for the about page again. Go to about page, then edit this file. I'm going to edit this home page to index.html. Please, are you with us? Now, after editing it to index.html, then you commit changes again. Commit changes. Now, you go to code again. Code, you click on code. Then, where you have the service.html, you edit this and select index.html. Make sure you collect commits. Commit means you are done with the changes. So, if that's been set, you navigate back to where you have settings. And in the settings, you go to the pages. In the pages, you have this website URL here. And let me test if it's working. So, I click on About. I click on Home. I click on Service. I click on Home. Now, my service page is not working. Why? Let's go back again and check. I'm going to my code again. And I check service. Everything is working perfectly here. But it has not been updated on the GitHub server. So I will go back again and check. It must have been updated. It takes less than a minute to be updated. Now I will check again. Sites. Mr. Malakai, please. Let's do it again together. Go to code. You're on your code now. This file is there. Now click on the index.html file. Now, by default, this is not editable. It's not editable. To make it editable, you click on the edit pencil here. Beside there, raw, name, edit. Edit is fine. You click on it. The file should be editable now. So you go to the first link where you want to edit. Then change your content here to index.html. Do so for all the file. Then commit changes. After you must have finished editing it, make sure that you commit changes. If you do not commit changes, it will not work for you. So you go back to your code. Repeat the same process for the about page. You click on the edit icon, then you edit this page to the root file index.html. You commit changes after you must have finished doing that. Then go back to code again. Go to your service page and the same process again. Edit it by clicking the edit icon. After you must have finished editing it, then go down and commit changes. Then after that, we go to settings. The settings, navigate your way to the pages tab. Then navigate yourself to where you have the GitHub pages. So you have your link updated here, then visit sites. Your site should load properly. Then when you go to the about page, I have the about page. When I go to the home page, I have the home page. When I click on service page, it's working. The home page. The home page is still not working for the service page. We still have an issue. So let me see. Okay, it has not been updated. So I'm just going to wait for a while to make it update. So now it's not updated now. When I check it, you can see everything is working perfectly fine. On the service page, I want to go to the home page. I have the home page loaded up. On the home page, on the about page, on the service page. Thank you. Yes. Thank you very much. It takes a minute or 2 minutes for it to work. So I'm going to check Mr. Let me check. Yes, Mr. Ola or Mr. Olu, sorry. Your code 2 is working fine, but your about page is still messed up. So please check for the updated code I sent to your email. Let me go to the home page from here. Correct. The service page and the home page. Perfectly. Mr. Olu, your code is working. Mr. Ola, your code is working fine. Yes, I'm going to send the recording of the sessions to our email also, definitely. So, and remember, you have to drop your emails for me. I have only 7 emails with me. If I don't have your email now, just send it to the chat. Let me have your email so that you can get a certificate of participation in this webinar. So I have the following emails already in my. I have the following emails in my following emails already. So if your email is not here, please hold on. If your email is not here, please try to drop your email now. That should be so these are the emails I have on my chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining 2 people. You are 9. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Remaining 1 person. I can't find your email, Mr. iPhone. You just said no now. Please drop your email so that I can forward the can all get certificate of participation in this webinar in a PDF format. You're going to get this within the next 14 days. Within the next 14 days, you're going to get your certificates ready. Please drop your email. Okay, this is Jennifer. So your email is here. Okay, your email is okay. So I'm just going to update your email now. It's what I have here. So all the email I have now. All right. This is Chizo. It was you. So it's at the email I have now. So now, what I'm going to do next for you is so please let's update our code so that everything is working fine. So let me confirm. Let me confirm Mr. Malaka's page. Mr. Malaka's page is not still working. Okay. This is your own page. Yes. Home page. And your CSS logo is not opening. Yes, it's working fine now. You can see that. Then about page, yes. Home page, yes. Service page, yes. Home page, yes. Everything is working. So let me check your form. Submit form. Then it should disappear. Very good. Correct. So I'm going to close it. Now the next person is Semi at. Now let me check. So I've only gotten 3 links on the chat. Home page. Home page is not working yet. Mrs. Samias, please ask a question on the chat. Do you have any issue? Samias, your own page is not working yet. Please let me know if you have any issue so that we can just start up now. So, congratulations if you have completed this webinar. I really appreciate everyone for joining this webinar. Congratulations. So, please share your experience in the next 5 share your experience on the chat over the past 4 days that we've been together learning this webinar together. Thank you very much. Thank you for yes, you're welcome, Mr. Ola. I really appreciate you. So there will be another session again next week, Monday, August 15 to August 18. You might also want to repeat this session again. Yes, just to further enhance your knowledge about this web developments. So this webinar is holding again on Monday, August 15 to Friday, August 18. Same time, same Zoom link. Please, let's forward this webinar advert to our fellow mates who are interested in learning web development. So I believe you have seen how a website works. We develop our website from scratch. We got a GitHub account so that everybody can see our website on the internet. So if you have shared this link with your friends at home or on the internet, it's you're going to see what you have built. Now, the thing is that the next webinar, I'm going to fix the issue of this this footer floating air, unlike in my my VS code. The link is footer is displaying very well here, but when it comes to the internet, the footer has changed. So in my next webinar, this will be fixed very well. So if you still have the time and you want to enhance your knowledge about web development, then we can join this meeting again next week. You're all welcome. I'll be waiting for you next week. And remember, you are going to get a certificate of participation that you, from the ladder back down, that you have actually participated in a web development program. So this can also boost your CV in your future career. So thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, everyone. So I'm going to go back to my my slide presentation. So thank you. This, if you need to contact me, you can reach me on my email. I'll be glad to respond to every one of you. So remember to share this webinar adverts with your friends. Thank you all.